Embeddings only matter if unlike media can be compared. This paper asks for one space instead of 4 separate search systems. Real search is mismatched: sentence, photo, clip, voice note, or page. Keeping those signals interleaved is the bet. The model can use cross-modal context before anything collapses into a vector. Gemini's multimodal knowledge is repurposed into representation. The payoff is a single coordinate system. Once everything is a vector, retrieval becomes geometry. Nearby points carry the real promise. A clip and a caption can agree without looking alike. Mixed evidence becomes comparable meaning. The next question is, how does mess become one vector? The pipeline view answers that question by separating format handling from representation learning. Each stage removes a different kind of messiness. Raw media cannot be averaged directly. Tokenization turns every modality into transformer-readable units. Bidirectional attention lets every token use the whole input. The bars are many contextual meanings, not one summary yet. Mean pooling makes one summary from all token evidence. Projection gives the summary a retrieval-ready shape. The output is now an address in semantic space. The equation is compact, but the story is simple: contextualize, average, project. Matryoshka dimensions solve a deployment problem. Smaller vectors can be cheaper without training separate models. The nested view is important. Short embeddings are prefixes of the same learned representation. The ambition is making this path work everywhere. But useful geometry must be learned, not assumed. Contrastive training gives the space its shape by deciding what should be close and what should not. Left is one example. Right is the batch competition. The task string defines the kind of match requested. Dropping it forces retrieval to work without perfect instructions. The positive pair is the attraction force. The hard negative teaches that topical similarity is not enough. In-batch negatives make every batch a miniature retrieval problem, not just one pairwise comparison. The loss formalizes that contest. The positive must win against hard and batch negatives. The matrix reveals the batch-level game. Each row is a query choosing among many candidates. Masking matters when labels repeat. Otherwise, the model would punish another valid answer. The diagonal is what success looks like. Correct matches brighter than their competitors. The space is built from many small ranking battles. The recipe decides which battles the model sees. The recipe has stages because Gemini starts as a generator, not as a retrieval encoder. PFT turns a generator toward encoder behavior. Fine-tuning makes all modalities share the same space. Model soup stabilizes training. Checkpoint averaging preserves gains without brittle specialization. The knobs are not cosmetic. Sampling rates and batch sizes decide which modality dominates training. Audio and video push beyond static text-image matching. Multimodal quality is a balancing act, not just scale. Now, compare this with translate everything to text pipelines. The central advantage is avoiding forced intermediate decisions before retrieval even starts. Audio search and mixed queries test the same idea. Raw speech contains more than words. Pronunciation, emphasis, and ambiguity can matter. An ASR route commits early. If the transcript is wrong, retrieval inherits the mistake. Native audio preserves cues a transcript may lose. The numbers make it concrete. Native audio beats ASR. Mixed queries match how users actually know things. One path lets the mixture interact before retrieval. The target does not need to match the query's format. The shared space handles the translation. That is why cross-format retrieval is the real prize, not just supporting more file types. The payoff: fewer conversions, richer queries, One rule. Does that generality hurt benchmark performance? The results board frames the answer across ordinary retrieval, text benchmarks, code, documents, and specialized domains. The two panels separate broad benchmarks from specialization. The headline bars show the model remains strong on classic retrieval and text, code benchmarks. These domains test generalization without domain-specific tuning. The brace is the infrastructure claim. One service can cover all media. Code and recipes highlight the range. Symbolic retrieval on one side, visual culinary retrieval on the other. The bet is to make mixed media comparable by distance. Then, multimodal search becomes shared geometry, not conversion plumbing.